Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection out in Omaha today. I wanted to point out something here. A laundry room with a dryer. It's really kind of hard to tell, but they got the dryer hooked up to a PVC line that runs down along the back here behind all their storage. Runs back up and hits their exterior and everything over here. Problem that we're pointing out here is that the line itself has that PVC for your dryer. And the heat going through there with the lint and everything causes static electricity on that PVC. So basically it can start that lint on fire. So definitely recommend removing the PVC for the dryer vent. Installing a proper dryer vent on the home for safety. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.